This is a power cable workout that I incorporated into Ken Shamrock's workout, but also a lot of my other fighters throughout the time. The power cable came from John Hines. The name of his company was called LifelineUSA.com, Lifeline USA. They sold their business. Power Systems kind of took over and replicated a lot of the stuff that they made, but this is the power cable workout, which is all core stuff. I did it for myself towards the end of my career because that's when I discovered all this great equipment. And this power cable changed everyone's lives. They're still available and they can still do the same for you. Okay, so 25 lunges, just like this. Okay, he's gonna turn around. He's gonna go 20. So it's actually 26, not 25, 26. The reason 26 is so we had an even number on both sides. 25 would leave one side one more than the other leg. So 26, back steps, go. Horse stance. There we go, that's the horse stance. Okay, now the advanced version of this is he backs up and he's just gonna step forward, just like this. Just like you're walking down a hill. He turns around, he goes as far forward as he can, and now he's just gonna back step into a horse stance. Comes up, back step. That's the advanced version. Okay, now we go sideways, 26 sideways. So it's just a side horse squat, just like that. Both of his feet facing straight ahead. This is the beginner level, and switch, other side, 26. Switch again, both feet together up here, and we're gonna back step in. That's it. So this is the advanced version. So after somebody was doing this for quite some time, we would do the advanced. Switch, the advanced version. So notice, it's just like you're going down a hill instead of going up. One is going down, the other is going up. Okay, now he would face me, and he'd go alternate knees. And replace. Step down in front. This is just a warm-up before we hit all the pad work. Okay, now he's going to back up. He's going to drop, step, and hit a double leg penetration. So that's it. And again. And again. And again. Okay. So you can see we treated the numbers just so you guys could get it and we can get everything moving, but that's extremely important. Your heart's going to jump on your obliterate. Okay, the next was biceps. 20 triceps. 20. Turn around. Chest. Alternate punching. And for the alternate punching, it was here. So shadow boxing with the cables. Next, snap downs. Singles. You go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Power cleans. Star jumps. And then we do 3 sets of those.